Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. One Father Street.
One Father Street.
No leave, no curve, no bend.
One Father Street.
Yeah, man. I work on some tambourine in your video.
Yeah.
Yes, King. Yes, sir.
You say you're working on some tambourine?
Yeah, man. Some tambourine. I make some. It's some toe. Yes, King.
Oh.
Man, you know. Grab some toe.
Thinking toe.
Yeah. What you call it? Nobody think of the truth here, sir. Yeah, man. Next time put it here, sir. Because one of them drink it.
We younger generation.
Yeah, man. One of them drink it. So nobody think it up here, sir.
Think it up. So wait name, what you call it?
We don't say toe and tambourine.
Oh, toe and tambourine.
Nobody think of the toe. Because you can put on socks and...
But when you hear about toe, you don't want to drink it either.
Yeah, that's what I say. But you make it right over, so you go think it up. That's what I say.
Yeah. So you got fruit it up there.
Yeah.
Tambourine and fruit.
Tambourine and fruit. Speak the truth.
Speak the truth.
That's what I say. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Yeah, man. Good to
It's a
see the
locust. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Locust are the real name.
I know the real name. Yeah, man. See that?
See there.
Bag of tambourine. You know, skin green.
Jawbone.
Yeah, man. Already.
Whenever I see tambourine,
yeah, man.
jawbone.
When I see the two walk here now.
Yeah.
You know what's
Locust.
the locust.
Root up.
Yeah, man, but
that drink
that
like a
juice
bag.
hard, man. That juice is bad and it finish, man.
Yeah.
Billion cleaner, you see me I say?
Now I finish it today though. Now I finish it today.
No, nothing, no, man. Tomorrow. Finish it today. But you have your juice, man, you have herbal here.
Alright.
You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Straight, you know. Yeah. But you always see him face though.
Always.
Always.
Spoon them
Yeah.
on the
The spoon and the fat them. But you have everything phone here, you know. I tell us every time you visit, we have with me always have. But me always have some for you. Because the people them forward, you know. But me tell us, I'm going to be an entrepreneur for sure. And I'm going to score.
Alright.
So I say, alright.
And that you know.
Yeah, man. But look what me have now. But you know from long time. I told you that I was going to have almond and pumpkin seed.
The mix.
Oh,
okay.
Parch with cayenne pepper.
So this a
And
combination.
this one is better.
What do you take?
You just chew it, man. I eat it.
You just eat it up, man. Chew it, man.
As it
Local
is.
almond.
As it
You
is.
see me, sir? And if you want straight local almond too, you know, I have it.
Eat the pop one, alright.
You see
Yeah,
me,
man.
sir?
Eat it as it is, man.
You just eat it as it is, man. And we have,
You know, we used to make the pumpkin seed.
yeah, we have the pumpkin seed around there, you know. $100.
Tastes like
You see me,
popcorn.
sir?
Like
But
eating
it-
popcorn.
Eh? Yeah, you see me, I say. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, pumpkin seed good. No, man, if you want, man, we have them, you know, we have them in stock.
Give them the mix one. Give them the mix
The
one.
mix one you want. But it's well spicy, you know. You have to-
Yeah, man. That's the right spice, man.
Cayenne pepper. You see me, I say cayenne good for you, man.
Where you see it, you don't want to open it.
You can't open, man.
Oh.
So you see it like
No, man, no. No, man, you
See it
can't,
like you don't want to open it.
you can't pull, man. You just have to find the seal,
Oh,
sir.
now wait it.
Yeah, man, I'll open it. But you have fingernail and everything and do, man. Better. Hey, it well sealed, man. So me I say.
well sealed. Yeah.
You can't have one.
Three of them.
No, Kino, me I say you can't. I want to hear one. You just want to sample it and tell me what it.
Alright.
So me I say if it can go up on the market.
Of course. Well, let me see them and sample it, yeah.
Tastes good.
Tastes good, though.
Yes, good.
Yeah, tastes like nuts.
Oh man, that means say pass then.
Try the
pass,
small
man.
seed now and the almond together.
Yeah, man.
Brother, bad. I swear.
Yeah.
Are the almond this?
Yeah. So you want to try the pumpkin seed and together now. Two of them one.
Two of them together, man. It's a nice.
Well, the thing pop, you can't find them so easy.
Yeah, just throw them out in there and then.
And those mix up, that's
Yeah.
Pumpkin seed. I pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Yeah, pumpkin seed. Yeah, man.
Bad man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I'm tell you, man.
Clean out too, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
And the pumpkin seed, you know, good for your prostate as
And
well.
all them things. Cayenne pepper, you don't know that burn out cancer cell and all them things.
And the pumpkin seed, they seem have up in the top part when I go to
Yeah,
them.
man. When I go on the sun.
So you can buy a couple of them and have them and munch them, man.
Munch them, man. Yeah, man.
And bring up a couple when you go up as well, too.
Definitely.
If you want a straight local man to
Alright, guys, so you know the thing goes already. So you know, it's a regular for pass through Iowa Spice. You know, get the regular. You know, let me say, all the way from the UK, the man himself. You know, he have to come test it himself, because you know, yeah, all the way from the UK, the man say Breadfruit burger, and I'm gonna try the hot chocolate and busy tea.
Yeah, man.
I'll take a couple then.
I'll take a couple.
Yeah, I'll take about 10 of them then.
I'm going to raise them then.
Instead of have them nuts that we eat. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on the road,
Don't watch Chino see the eat in it, hot, you know.
Yeah.
Chino see the steam in it, hot, you know.
I eat me eyes, I said, man, I see the Steve in the one.
Yeah.
But burn you up.
Burn you up, man.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Chocolate and busy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But you see the cup though? Oh, you know,
I know the cup, man.
Yeah, man, we know about the cup, man. And I want to them they cup the forward from to you.
Coconut.
Yeah, man. So we have everything. Not no waste in our quarter.
See there. And the usual. Chocolate and busy. The tea though. Like I see you have different feelings when you don't drink it as well. More energizing. Start clean. You know the place to me go. Another place, you know. All the way from the UK. Pick up on myself. Start eating. When you come to Jamaica, you have to try this. See that man. See the mad thing I just touched down now. But the word been asking for and waiting for. That's the Breadfruit burger.
Breadfruit,
But I talk about no Burger King or the McDonald's, you know? This, yeah. First time you gotta try it though.
First time ever.
And look how you go and sue Burger King and McDonald's after you try this. Look how you go and sue them after you try that.
Yo, the people them eat me. Anytime, like when time I compare,
Yeah.
eat to Burger King, see people them look for me and said, there's no comparison.
There's none at all.
Oh man, no man. The people say, oh, better than Burger King.
Nah, no.
Yeah man. No comparison at all.
Real breadfruit, yeah.
Let's be having it then.
Yeah. See, there's no caffeine. Oh. Finally, get the taste out the TV.
No man, I buy the paper man.
Yeah. Get the taste out the TV. The reality.
Breadfruit burger, bad. Proper season, everything.
Reality itself.
Natural.
Yeah. Yes, the mystic.
Bad.
It's the natural mystic.
Everything nice, bad.
So they use the breadfruit as the bun.
Yeah. Just peel it and slice it down.
Yeah. So I have to always come here and get the breadfruit burger. See me go, I know you're bad now, man. I eat all the paper, you know. Paper, the other side that way, you know. Yeah. Because more time, you know, say when we used to eat it, but never notice me eat the paper.
Yeah, man, that man try to tell you that come. Sit up now all the while, man.
Yeah, listen, man. It happened to me.
Eat the paper too much, man.
Listen,
eat all the paper, I see that.
it happened to me, guys. I'm literally.
Burger bad, man. Yeah, eat all the paper.
I don't even know you eat the paper.
What the sauce step on the paper?
Let me tell you.
You understand?
So when your moons show that, you're like, yeah, that what me I eat.
I'll tell you one time.
Let's go see, it's a regular eyeball spice there. And I have no time to waste. We see it on TV, you have to chase it in reality. Just as good as I see it on the TV, right?
I don't want to see them, man.
Good.
Good, okay.
Tastes more better than the TV.
I'm sorry, let's stand up and eat the food I go in your food. Food I get big.
And say digest quicker.
Hey, that's it. I say, yeah, one time when I say food I go in your food.
Bye. Sauce, aki sauce, you know. Anybody know aki good make sauce?
Flavor, but the sauce we use it.
But,
Let me see meat burger, brother.
Not me burger. No other eat. Not my first eat.
Your video that we are selling again. Nice. We're going to bet to do for life now.
Can get him some water if you wash off it and then. Yeah. Okay, you know, let's say a fan
yeah,
the pipe.
man. We have one.
Can't even straight like going on the pipe neither, you know. And some man are there here all the time. See the mother there. Miserable, they go close our dog. Hey, drink.
Drink like an iced tea.
Yeah.
Buy data from the sources. Travel the island with the geostation in map all of the points of interest. Whether we can, I'm sure we can share some information from the user, but there are some things that are verified that you will never go in and do that.
I taste it.
But this is a better iced tea.
Yeah.
Especially because you know that
The flavor there.
Yeah. I same thing.
The same thing. Lemongrass.
Yeah.
Milk. I'm tasting that milk now.
No milk.
No milk. Sweet coconut milk.
would be a regional
Coconut milk.
based off of your travel
It's sick, this, you know?
experience that you're looking for. You would think.
Everything I'll drink them if you drink, bro.
Everything you know,
One
Herbal lady.
can pick
You know the thing goes there.
experience.
I am set now, ready for the road.
Massive ecosystem. Just like how you use the sandals and your children.
Kino, you don't know. The whole world been seeing you.
Alright then, straight.
Family. Love, you know. Love. Say that take 2 times steam and steam. I want to know that.
No, man, I eat that.
Try two that man.
Where say? No.
Yeah,
Yeah, if I want to, man, I can get to. Baba, man, I add it up, you know, man.
You know when you do this now, I I mean, one a dry. And then do this, and then him drop a steak. I make him enjoy himself. I make him enjoy himself.
Yeah, man. And don't make him enjoy.
Add it up, don't add it up, please.
You have to do that.
Everyone get ready.
I want to for the grab. Alright.
Enjoy it now.
No,
Enjoy it now.
Come. Alright.
Look at that one there.
Power.
And draw for the drink. And draw for the drink.
It's time here. I can sleep like a bee.
And that's done. Bless it. Alright. See you.
I know the man can't talk it, you know. Manners, you know, yeah? See pumpkin seed there. Alright guys, so you know we're going to head in Trenchtown. I'm going to say we have 2 guests from the UK, you know, so we're going to also take them to see Cranberry as well too. So we're going to head in Trenchtown first for a bit and then we'll head up them sides. Come.
Mas come, mommy.
Who tell you you're going away? Yeah, lock you out. Come, I have something for you. Come, miss. Black pan everything?
Yes.
Alright then. Don't worry yourself, I have Daniela. You have Daniela. So Daniela got 1,500 here for you. You know, so wait, take up that from me, please. So guys, we got some donation from Georgia. No, sorry, from Sharon in Georgia. You know, this for the kids and that 5 kids that they went to Cranberry the time to swim, which is we have Daniela, we have Catalia, we have Cheers, we have Mika and Classic. 5 of them. So we have Daniela right here. So we have $1,500 for you, Daniela, from Sharon in Georgia. Here, so it's your 1,500. So you're gonna thank Sharon.
Thank you, Sharon from Georgia.
Look in the camera now, man, and stop acting so shy.
Thank you, Sharon from Georgia.
Alright, then so we're gonna look for you for Classic, Cheers, Mika, and Catalia, and give theirs. Alright? They're coming? I know you're not gonna say no. Give me the pin. How you wanna walk, though? Alright, 5 of them. Where's Classic? Where she live? Come call her.
Kina smell.
How about that? The car? Smell good.
Just take it to your car.
Take it for my car. Thank you. Put it on my car. Which part she live? Oh. Where's Catalia? Second Street? Okay, come.
Classic. Kina Carla, what's she there?
Alright, so Mika, this is for you. Alright, so this is for you. This is 1,500 here for you. And that is from Sharon in Georgia.
Thank you, Sharon from in Georgia.
Okay. And Classic. We have 15 for you here from Sharon in Georgia.
Auntie Sharon in Georgia.
Thank her. Her name is Sharon. And she lives in Georgia.
Auntie Sharon live in Georgia.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Axel Shy. Where's Cheers?
She gone to school.
She gone to school.
That's what they call
I
it.
forget she something because she never did that, you know. I'm still have to give her something here. This is from me, okay? Because she wasn't there today, okay? Alright, so you don't feel left out. Go call Catalia. Oh. Raga. Bob stuff. For the tough stuff. Listen, Cranberry them, I bring them come down here as our birthday. No come here. I bring Cranberry them come down here because I'm Cranberry birthday. So they can come out cut cake. Eh?
19.
Yeah.
And then next week Tuesday after that one. 27. Cheers, I come from school, I say
Catalia. Well, the seat already and gone. The seat already and gone. Oh, she did. Oh, she not go far. No, he not go nowhere. Right, I say you there. Come Catalia. We have $1,500 here for you from Sharon in Georgia.
Thank you, Sharon in Georgia.
Alright. So Cheers is missing in action. She is at school, right?
Yeah.
So I will keep Cheers until she come back then. When she come. So remember it's Cranberry birthday. Yeah, so we're gonna bring Cranberry in Trenchtown so you kids can come down there. Yeah? Come cut cake with her.
Cranberry alone, me I bring?
No, I bring the rest of them. Yeah? Yeah.
What time am I finish school?
My school
2
over.
o'clock, most of them school.
Okay.
Cheers normally do extra. Cheers normally do extra.
So we are going before?
Cheers come.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, so can I make them come back about 4 o'clock?
Yeah, man.
We can come down there. But she got there from the morning, the whole of them.
Oh.
Yeah? So prepare on yourself. Tell your friends to come as well. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then. Whoa.
See some barger come now, must have.
Oh,
I can't know so far. No. It's like a barger voice. That's a barger number, you know.
Alright. So give thanks to Sharon that lives in Georgia. You know, thank you for blessing the kids them. So Cheers is not here. She's at school, you know, so I'm gonna keep her still in time to come back. Alright then, guys. Yeah, so you know we're gonna head up to Mama River now to see the rest of the kids.
Yeah, man. Go there.
Cheers, come on. Cheers soon come. She gonna come.
Where am I for life?
Where am I for life?
Where am I for life?
I'm telling you, say yo. Yeah, man. Oh, chef, ever big up to you. Yeah, man. Show my life. Me, oh, chef. I'm gonna say, yeah, oh, chef, ever big up to you.
Where am I for life?
Chunky boy wasn't, you know? I look at King Street, man. No, man. Yeah, look at King Street. That's a man. I'm up here to King Street. Alright. See that? The same man. Yeah, that's so.
Yeah, cool now.
My mother got King Street and then I look at
Doreen.
Yeah.
That was Jokey Jam.
Jokey Jam, yeah.
Oh. So we wait for Esther to come out. She come out now with a shot on. before time kind of get run out from this. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. You know what time again, so. Barney, you know, be.
Run out of breath.
Him just. Welcome to Miami River.
You don't go for me. I watch it on the TV too much. You go for too much time already.
Yeah. Little blessings that flow.
Yo, Judy call me, you know.
Who call you?
Yeah, call me. I say, I'll call you back in a minute. Wait till we stop driving. I'll call you. I show to me the healing man. Stop telling me we have to link up with the worship. You know, worship all the yeah, man.
Apple tree done now. Guys, as you can see, it's been some rain. You know, it's a bit 1 and 2 drops right now. You know, so as you can see, it's a rainy season right now. Rainy season. Apple.
Socks, come on. Yo, socks are shot, come on.
Signal a pick up.
There, yeah, man. The boss have one of me your phone. Go on, listen to it.
Pay game, the man they play, brother. Pay game you play, you know.
Socks are yours.
A pay game you play. See there?
Watch out.
Pay game the man they play.
Man.
Rima for life!
Yeah, man.
Rima for life!
Yo. Everyone socks are boss, you know. Go on.
Rima for life!
Rasta man, yeah.
One socks a shot. Yeah, man. Man, like a nugget. Oh, nugget.
Pay game the man they play.
But the river over there in the socks, you hear that? Yeah, man. So, we are the general park, so we have to get a heel up, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, you see me? Socks, Jaja. Yeah, man. So, go on. No, man. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother.
Because I go to
Yeah,
I go to a rough patch now.
Oh, I see it, man.
Yeah, I go to a rough patch, but
Everything are clear, man. Everything good, man. Brother, man. I see it. Yeah,
It's the big pine gun style.
style thing, you know, like
Eh, no, long me out your pine.
Watch
Gun.
the pine, brother. I'm down the big one, you know.
yeah.
Yeah. Socks, do you want me to tell you I go on the river right now, go look where I go on and, you know? Yeah.
Sound like the river forward down.
Go for style.
Wagwan. Wagwan family.
Hear that sound heavy.
That's how Wagwan look at you. Wagwan family. Come on. But the river was there, you know.
Yeah, man. Bad man. Bad man.
High and pepper. Come on, what a step. Yeah, but we really start to go car back.
Guys, as you can see the river. So you know whenever it's raining.
I'm trying to check, I'm going to slide there.
Yeah. Back them wash way again.
The water no normal, I think no current no normal.
Yeah.
When you come here, I'm going to chuck off, I have to chuck off where?
But you have the next river down so the man kind of set people on different. Time up to big pipe when put underneath it. Yo, I forgot jump over here. Yeah. So where's the boom there?
Yeah.
Right, that's it. Got them over on crop, so they're good. Time to jump? Yeah. Jackson have to jump. Yeah. Just come as low man and jump in as well.
Happy sleep.
You see, a long time I'm not jumping, you see? A long time you not jumping, you know. Yo, I saw them place they make everybody seize up, you know. White nose, go sit down, white nose.
Glad to see you, boy. Got to go on.
I want you for the food. Say that, you know. Cranberry. Yes. Yo, General, what?
Yes, you never know I say it hard.
I say that. I think it's easy.
Think it easy. Evening. Charge. Hold on. Fix your face. Engineer. How much point there? Still there?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, you put it on the door now. Put it on the door. Guys, the door is on. It a paint. Oh. You think of the purple you put?
Yeah, the purple will go out there somewhere.
Okay.
Out of the purple will go.
Oh, you put the purple on the outside.
Like how you see the purple there.
Yeah. Yeah, because the whole outer stuff does have purple. Even this, I should have purple this. This should have purple. In there, sir? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's with the purple in there.
Yeah. So them place here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and this up, pure purple.
And that
should be purple.
so the purple can come up on
Yeah. That should have the one pink here, so you have the one purple. Yeah. Shall we are training? Oh. Oh. Ken, we are come for them in the morning.
From the morning part.
Yeah. So you can put them clothes that I'm going to put on till later. So we can get them here do. Tara, should I allow for your ear to get do? I have to go do it.
You know, me that do Tara here.
And Toko. And Toko.
But Toko cry, she will make her ear.
Should we make it do?
Yeah.
when the rain
Okay.
falls, next thing wet.
It's one of the day.
Me I just get some bead for Tara here by tomorrow.
Yeah. Come for them early morning, so you spot them thing. So when them done finish them can bathe and put on them clothes. Let them cut them cake with the girls them down there. And then bring them up back. So yeah. So I know if liquor man and liquor miss.
Look at my junk. Put
Them
on up
ask them,
them,
mother. Oh, you say, and you can see the time that you know.
Are
No,
you
I know you know so them didn't say no, but me go ask her. For me, ask her, it's alright.
I'm
Okay.
aware that I'm calling.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And them done school, and them done paper.
Toko.
For them early in the morning. Because early. You have on Cinderella dress, miss. You have a Cinderella dress, Dana. And I get some key and all. So wait, you put bead in for them here too?
Yeah. More bean.
Come on, bead too. So let's get bead for the whole of them then.
I'll be able to come here.
No.
She said she's not going to do.
But shall come after. Shall have so many for go.
Where you are going? You are this.
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah.
I want to put it up on the tree, like Chris got to say the big one on the tree, right? You know.
Well, no.
Kind of drop by yesterday, and he went yesterday.
I went to check it.
The day before you check it,
Yeah.
man, the next day and tell me say the big one night, right?
No, but
That's the low it make it
so
go
now me to check.
forward.
No, I want
The
them.
big one up night,
Yeah. I tough.
time that tell me say it right.
Nah, man, me to check it, man. I tough. I see him on the check, Esther.
Yeah.
Tough.
I said, call me and tell me say the big one night, right?
Yeah. What's your name? Aria. We have something for her as well, you know. $1 for her too.
She there?
Ari. She in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Imagine she come the right day, Esther. Look how long she not come. Like Ari smell it.
I just wait here, she not come every weekend today,
Yeah.
Look at brown girl.
She eyes.
every ball.
So guys, imagine. So Ari is here. So imagine that. For the whole time we are coming here, she's not there. And as we bring $1, she's here. Yeah. See her there. She's there. Harry Potter.
so she there.
Banana here. She got sleep?
No, she don't want to leave.
Say I kilo. I kilo. Say I kilo. Calling you. Say I. So
Next time, give me a step that we get him.
like a free.
It's Toko.
Talker.
Inside. Should I get them for the birthday one?
No, you can't get the one them first for them. Over them.
Or that.
It's Toko. Tell her come. She come. We have money for her.
The time boom. The boom there. One a boom.
Go on, browning. Go on.
One a boom.
Them feeding done.
Go on.
Dog food finish.
What do I do?
You know, you want one boat when the river come down.
Esther, what I
Tell her what you want. Like we live up here. Like on the hills, you want hill climb shoes. You want hiking, yeah. And you want life jacket.
Yeah.
Life jacket, you know. So say hello to my friend. You see him, friend?
Remember him, I can't hide.
Where you remember him from? Where you remember him from? From which foreign?
Last year before the camera. Meet her last year before the camera picture.
You meet her last year before the camera?
Yeah, come here, come take some picture with my daughter.
Oh.
Meet her. She left with.
If you don't remember, you can't hide. That the glass alone make me know. So you all have to put on.
Yeah.
Make some blessing and reach him.
Yeah. And she texted for you to do.
Rasta, see you later.
You want to cook again?
Yeah.
You want to cook again, Nana? Food, man.
I love Sunday.
5 dumplings more.
5 dumplings now.
She love 2 dumplings.
What dumpling you want?
6.
You can eat 6?
Yeah. I want to put up a plate and we eat them all. And sometimes anything we don't want to left back.
You can eat 5 dumplings? You can eat 5 dumplings? You wish? It's a Nana.
Everybody think I want it.
I threw the ear. Where's Toko?
No, remember I said I'm going to put on.
Oh, she put it on top. Okay.
Every week when you wash back them, yeah.
Every week?
So I wash them wash them, I have to take them out.
Yeah, wash them.
Yesterday I'm going to take them out, I wash them. Well, look at me, son.
No, they're gone because church. They're gone to church because me up there and go back.
So you don't go to church?
Remember?
So don't you go to church?
Me can't go.
Why you can't go to church?
5 of them, man. How much of them say?
Oh, 5 of them you know. You don't go to church?
Tyra and Toko. You remember?
Oh, look at Miss. Look at man.
Oh, you
them
can't
go to
let
church.
No, you can't let that to my mother. When them come collect it. Have them sister up there, no?
Oh.
Look now, through them can't come down, you know, so river come down, no. So she not go and send them. If you know, you can. Them dust gone, China, them dust gone.
Just gone to church?
Yeah, more than.
Okay. Alright, but him have something for everyone I don't know. He might give something.
That is.
Yeah, move, sir.
So tired one. Yeah.
You bring blessings, come to the whole of your family them.
And I mean, and she know make him come here.
She know make me come here.
She know make you come here. Energy.
And she know make me come here.
Come here, you're not going to pick something. Every week we kick him and say, I need to see you for 5 weeks and 6 weeks. And that make him all laugh. Watch him now.
Shut up. See how you see how mad I was. Yeah. You can't give them man, you can't give them one man. You can't bless them man, cool them man, bless them. So give she first.
Why me first?
Give you first, say so thank you.
Because you stop right there, so that's
yeah. So here's your toes now, turn on. Thank you. Come.
Thank you very much.
Come Nana. Go on Nana.
Come down. Come down.
Say for the camera.
Acha.
Hasta mucho, ¿no? Ya mucho ahí.
Toko.
One Toko.
Come down and ease the man so okay.
Why you acting shy, miss? Come help her down, come. The roughest one always act like shy, the softest one.
That's a Toko. Acha Toko.
Yeah.
You say thanks, man. You good.
Say for the camera.
Toko get shy.
Toko, you get so shy.
Come, Harry.
Bro, you put on your slippers.
Come, Harry.
Your slippers are Harry.
Yeah. That's Harry.
Harry.
Yeah.
You know me, I do
So
keep
thank you.
Who wanna get?
Tara. Thank you. So next 2 they can get the mother for she give them liquor man and liquor miss.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Never make a food basket go empty.
Amen.
You miss Toko. She shy. At the big swimmer this, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. She the big swimmer. Over there, you know. Alright, so we have food now. Ari, come again. More money for you, Ari. Okay, so we have a donation now to give to them from Sharon in Georgia as well too. You know, which is they're gonna get 1,500 each, right?
She get 15.
Oh, she get 15. Oh, so everyone says different. So Ari. Okay, so Ari, this is for you. Hold this. So thank you. Thank you. This is who? Toko. $3,000 a year for you, Toko. Say thank you, Sharon. From Georgia.
Como time, please. Okay, I'm like a shy.
So Nana.
Tara.
$3,000 for Tara. Say thank you, Sharon.
Tara, no. Acha.
Say thank you.
Say no. Say it again.
Say thank you. She not here.
Toko, acha. I'm take my money then. I'm gonna take them back. Say thank you, Sharon. Say thank you, Sharon. Say money. Toko.
And this is Uno. Nana. Come, Nana. So this is from Sharon. $3,000
Thank you, Sharon.
in Georgia.
In Georgia.
Yeah. It's a okay, so Kenisha, so we have 3,000 each for liquor man and liquor miss, right? So this is for liquor miss, 3,000, and this is liquor man as well too, 3,000 from
Sharon from
Georgia.
Georgia, thank you so much, and never make a food basket go empty. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.
We have now Esther. So we have this Cranberry, the old soul. Because I have new data now, you know.
I'm here that.
Yeah,
You can't go after that.
we have new data, still there. Soon now. Esther tell you, not lie.
Is that true?
So we get new data.
You have to. You don't have no new data. You have an old data and you have a new data.
It's newer data, not you. Here, so we have 4,500 from Sharon.
Sharon, thank you so much. And food basket never empty.
Alright.
And this is for the parents.
The parents. So this is $9,000 for the parents from Sharon in Georgia.
Sharon in Georgia, thank you so much, and never make your food basket run empty.
Who have left? Oh, and we have another donation for the birthday girl. Cranberry, my no more data. And this is from Janine from New York.
Janine from New York.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So this is 7,500.
7,500. 1, 2, 3.
7,500. So you're richer for your birthday. Alright? So we give thanks, guys. Lead. Alright, so we give thanks for the donation, for the family. Thank you so much, Sharon. Living in Georgia, it's a blessing and we appreciate, I don't know, respect as well to the island themselves, for blessings the family same way. I will give thanks because they're always watching and I'm here to share the blessings same way. I imagine rain and fall, so blessings from blessings, for them to come and see the experience of how the family is living. And we have Chargy, oh, he's here. See daddy over here, I go and look out, see him, I go and put in the work, see him, I will give thanks, see him time, every time, so that there's nothing but love and love alone, when the journey continues. Yeah, I'm going well, It never hesitate, when I work, it never hesitate from where them I come from, so yeah. Oh, you're painting, you start painting the board?
Don't get some reason.
Yeah. So guys, you can see the kitchen now. It's not finished as yet, but yes, it's taking place. It's taking place. So more paint and things. So give me another coat. Another coat. So they want to shut it down. The space. So the stove there, so. Alright, so. And you have the fridge. We have put the fridge over there, so. You just have put the fridge. Fish can go right by that door there. And the stove can come right over here, so. Space still up there. There you have space still. You can have a little table before you can put this and that, So soon now we can, when everything, so you have more tile, could that tile out in here, so?
No, we have more tile for here, so you can get some more tile.
Okay. The big one then could have cover off in a quick.
Yeah.
So, as I say, Windstone already connect with, so everything is possible now. So whenever you're ready now, we just get the time stuff them and come drop them off, I'm saying we have to give thanks to Windstone Chronicles. So we give thanks to Windstone Chronicles, He's going to furnish out the kitchen, make them get a stove, a microwave, and a blender, and also a fridge. Look at that blessings. Blessings keep pouring in. Yeah, I would thank them so much. Really thank them so much. Windstone is nothing but blessings, and blessings are alone. And I tell you, the Almighty will definitely continue to bless you. To where his family is coming from, to where they are now. Thank you so much. Only for love, only for joy, nothing but love. Papi just go and put in the work, see me, so definitely. We're getting some rain, so more blessings for you.
Yeah, you see?
I'm say, remember, them been watching the program, and them really say once them come to Jamaica, they have to come look phone, and them here. I'm here, I'm rich. So, I'm here. TV for a while. Kids them watch cartoon.
Just look who was left on our doorstep. My favorite.
Now you must stand, turn it down there, no? Turn it down.
Alright viewers, a long time I don't get a song, but it just come to me. It's all because of you. Oh Lord, it's all because of you. I give you everything. I give you all my heart. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. give you all my heart, and I give you everything. I give you all of my heart. I give you everything.
Sure, bop. Yes, give thanks to the Lord, you know. Give thanks to Him every time. Big tune. I will know have more tune coming soon. Right? Tara, your time now. Sing a song, Tara. Come, Tara, your song. Your time, Tara. Your time. I should go like she watch the TV. You're not watching no TV. Yes, Ken. Big tune. Oh.
Bro, then see for them, I'm going to be.
Yeah. Are the rain again?
No, I don't
Oh, the river. Yeah.
You think I read?
Guys, I check my pine. You know the thing goes already. I have to check my pine while I'm here. Alright, so we can go and chat down now then.
Really?
Yeah. Can I make you a link, Boomer? Yeah.
What's my favorite bit? You don't know what we do. Last time I come down now.
Landside from the hillside. Charge it.
Alright, more love one guy.
Yeah, man, every time. Turn sideways. You know, when I'm going down hill, you have to turn. Alright, yeah? Yeah. So we need to travel the nature life more often, you know. Yeah, need you want to when them picnic and go along, they must run like this.
Hold each other hand.
Yes, sir.
No one step man, because I just don't want more help still.
Comienza esta. No, hasta aquí la oh, si ada bang. Ini bang, Ami deh bang. Ini deh. Tapi more people go back there.
Yeah.
Ayo ya bang. Ini deh. Nak boleh dah nak biasa habis.
Light to me. It's a light to me. One Boomer. I play music. Yeah. They are fast, man.
It's last year I picked the game. Woman drop. I'm going that's not far. I love how they rule the world. I love how you rule the world, but I am being man.
Nobody can piano this. Can pull up.
Yeah, the girl can ride. She know her thing, man. She know her thing. Right, Anna? Don't worry. Why your head tough?
My ear not tough. My ear feel it.
It's like it's like scotch bra. It's like a steel load.
No, it's a full. When again?
Blow dry.
3 months.
No, you don't have to.
Yeah, I don't want to do it.
No, we never do that.
Why?
The woman can't go do it, so.
She can do it. That's what she can do. No, listen, she can do it.
Oh, she can do the bread. That's piano.
A bread, she can do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Puma. Eh? Yeah. Puma. Virgin, I'm all the way from the UK watch the program, you know.
Oh.
I always see you funny to see him, you know.
I remember my man and me, the ice man, the back of the time and sell half a back road and the
It's the last CI. There are so many to remember. I love. His name, it just name love. Yeah man, every time man, welcome every time, you know. I have free drum man. Yeah man, free man. Welcome every time man. I'll come meet the superstar. Come meet the superstar. A bigger celebrity for me, you know. Yeah man, should be gone for the river man. I'm going to present myself and I do the work, but I started it.
That you see the man. That you see them.
What supposed to do with this? What supposed to do with this?
No, we can't above with.
See the man
Don't put anything above with. You know it's valuable. The Almighty. We'll not put her. Listen.
Just surround yourself around her. And if we ever shun for her,
yeah, and we not present. We're not present right now. We go to, we know. And the future, you know, when, like a thing like me, you know, when she get around, I know. You know, I'm telling you what I'm reading in your comments when I tell you, I'm say, Rasta, I'm going to help the queen here. Like a princess here. I'm not going to reply, you know. It's like I say, you know, say that military reply. Listen now. Kino that come here separately, but what the deal basic on our life. That's the uncle. When we get a story of the uncle, what she called me, you wouldn't believe it. Because me not a blood uncle.
Yeah.
But she represent me as an uncle, so it's an individually aspect of uncle what she say yo, a youth a Rasta. Because she know, me I tell her about her father and the eye. From day 1 to day 2 to day 3 now. Not fair presentation. So when all I want, because I'm telling you, see, literacy, that's why I don't talk and I be alone now.
Yeah.
Because I don't need to relate to how I live, or I need to explain to you how I live. I live how I live. I live why I live because of my liberty. Personally, to be the person who wants to be for the tomorrow or anyone, any individual. So she never have to be my kids. I don't have to be around her and prove no point. Or do anything. Like say, when the kid come here, I have to run go up on the yard and like listen now. No, I read, and I say, but I never reply because I'm not literate.
Yeah, you don't need to,
So, when...
I see them thing there, when I give it attention.
Exactly.
Okay,
I put far from that.
Yes.
So it's like me, I said, no, I said person, and I'm saying not even get all like, I'm not saying.
No, sir.
See that because, and naturality, you know, Kino come find weed seed, come love the environment, and for the kids them. There's nothing offensive or nothing further and nothing no stay and nothing no go and nothing. It's just Kino.
Yeah.
Him say, it's a wooden pitney I did there when me there with Boomer.
Yeah.
Until I see them. And you decide say no man, it's special enough. The help what you want to give them, you know. Me don't want to give them, but I can't give them Kino.
Yeah.
So me have to do to you now.
Yeah.
Not if I'm at to you, Kino, please. Because
I'm always saying that the art is willing, you know, but the pocket is weak, you know?
No, listen now.
Art is
you're
willing.
not going to voice it to no individual like
No.
say. I voice it to you. You can't just listen what me I say. I tell you that's what I live for. I listen by the words of my grandpeople, my great-grand, my grandma, my four parents, words. I carry true.
Yeah.
So it's like I see something and I want. Alright, look at the home of the society. You know, anyone like Kino, in the program?
Yeah.
Like Kino, you look at an individual, Cranberry, or a superstar. Listen, I'm carrying it closer to my voice. Like Kino, you look at an individual, young girl. Look at what them around Kino, you know. Around the sister where Kino come find. Listen, I'm telling you, come near me hearing.
Yeah, man, them are here.
I say, Kino come find she is special, it's for a reason, you know.
Yes.
You feel like say if people more than Kino too. Can only say more than and categorize people through what we not have. So we are saying no, me individually I say. to uno, where you don't have it now, I want to differentiate the thing now. Like say, Albuma, or him not get to and help them. Listen now, stop now, I'm carrying near to me here. Uno now, we want to say, uno have the house and the land and the car and everything we want to desire. But here what we the soul, we want more, we don't satisfy. Kino now would have what him have and him appreciate to the Almighty, so him find the river and him still connect. Him connect, him not leave it, you know. Him can come find some kids, we must say, yo, Selassie I the Almighty. Help is there and help is willing. Anyway, you do nothing through where you, the reaction and the YouTube something or the TikTok something or any something at all you do it for. The something is nothing. You have to do it for the reality you live in. So you see them kids here, we never forgot Kino as long as he living, you know. Whether Kino flesh feel him today or tomorrow. Them kids here, we never forgot him. Never. To the love when him give out. The eye too. Yeah. Never forgot Kino because he come do something where the eye that want to do and couldn't do. Yeah. But them kids here, especially, individually, my specific kid. So me not have a prove a point to none. When Kino come with him live, me not have a prove a point and get close. No. This is theme time with him and these kids and him family. Me live around them. So me not have a prove a point to no individual human being. Nothing what me do, anything me give, me not remember about it. Me don't even try to remember. Yeah. There's no strings attached. I don't owe me nothing, I don't owe nothing. Simple. It's the liberty of we. Because we already have it already. And we are share it to, we are acknowledge what we have. So we not have money and dash out our pocket and to drop out. We can recognize all the queen, the little princesses. No. He recognize her through his sight, man. So people watching us don't come and try to classify. Black people are the only one where you look on the one that say, because you're black or ugly. You never hear individual racist people. A white man say, look at your white and ugly. But that's the one say white. We just want to say, who are fight black people? Look on the one that say, yo, you're ugly. Because you're ugly, you can't do something yourself. Only black people do that. So, Kino come find out for a reason. Kino is a reason in his own journey. With his own journey. So, not care about the follow and whatever I send and I give him. Yeah, man, we don't pay that mind, man. We don't pay that mind. We stand for, we stand for righteousness. So, we focus on the positive. You see me? Only positive. Just only the positive. If you notice as we say, you see me not like it because we don't focus on that. You know? I love and righteousness and love you, man. You see me? We don't give it any attention because we want to give it energy. So we don't give it any. People, let me tell you one thing what we do again wrong. Me have one platform for myself where I can talk, you know. My voice, because my voice and my strength will not people come temple and river, you know. Yeah. Voice and my strength. So listen now. Whatever Kino come do, you know, it's a reason to, you know. We supposed to take the acknowledgement to say, Kino reach on stage. Him not walk all the money and drop out. But him still say people to help. Any other people have it when the money drop out. You have chauffeur, everything a chauffeur. You have all people are coming in the house to clean it. You have helper, you have everything, yard and everything. But you still not see the people like that special kid there. Look more kid there, so. You have a future, you know, individually, you know. Individually. The whole of them have their own different talent. Cranberry, the whole of them differently have them talent. But only try to choose, say, oh, that one, and separate them and carry each and good. I said we black people do that to oneself, our kids them too. So sometimes I not even like company media even like say my voice, you know one like what my voice. It's just the people, cause you see out of the crowd, you fool some but you won't fool all. You have some different people in one corner, at least I said the Rasta youth here. If my voice is equal rights. And you who have the equal rights, you have the peace. Because peace are not need broke off so and split in two again. So separation. You know, love again, you're welcome. Righteous. You're welcome every time you people every time. Full man. And we love, you know, we won't prosper. True. And when we say love, you know, we cannot talk about love for get quarrel with no individual. We need to get love. And when we say love, it comes from the Almighty who created all of us, the universe. No, people have love just for y'all. Just like when I cross some people now. Brother them left. I cross the sister them and the brother them left them brother. They said people them are there with me right now. I'm saying no. Anyone have a brother love and don't have a sister love. I will not differentiate the love. Anyhow the Almighty was like us, or we differentiate love. Not for all the king of the king of the
big up yourself, man. You don't call it a word no.
And listen, I will over guide you through.
Yeah, man.
The work we are do, I take care of you.
And we're not going to stop.
And we're not going to stop.
Kids, but alright. I'm going now. Oh, for them? Between them from Sharon. Okay. Come here. Liquor man and liquor miss. Come here. Here we have $3,000 a year for you from Sharon in Georgia.
Thank you, Sharon, from Georgia.
Alright then, liquor man, same thing, $3,000 a year for you from Sharon.
Thank you, Sharon, from Georgia. May God never make you prosper.
Alright, and them is going to bless you as well to do something. Liquor man and liquor miss.
This is yours. No problem, and this is yours.
Oh, no, another cousin there as well. And the cousin that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you.
See you only one star.
Come here, come. I said cousin, here's something for you.
I mean, brother, that's far eye.
Oh, we have to go take back up here, so. Yeah, me have to go back up here, so. Yeah, he might jump flat-footed, that's why, you know.
True, yeah, true.
He might jump flat-footed.
You only support the same team, Manchester United.
Manchester United.
You only support the same team, Manchester. And you say I'm a big baller. You say I'm a big sense.
You're supposed to have composure, man.
Exactly.
Because the team jump flat-foot, so.
I thought they come from though.
For me? No, me see the Brixton. We used to play Summer League too.
Yeah.
With Born Scott them.
With who?
Born Scott them.
You know Richimundo?
Richimundo.
Yeah.
Richimundo, no. Oh. You know Ligo then, right? Ligo. You know man, brother man, Ligo.
Oh yeah.
The baller man, yeah.
No, yeah,
And once you're a baller, you have to play in the Summer League. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, more music thing. Yeah.
Once we watch up the two of them, there was something just in the football, bro.
Oh. I'm really league that Bush and Young and the whole of them.
Well, we never think we'd make it out alive.
Yeah, right.
People that fly that
Never too late, they're sure.
But you the one thing with them stone, they're not slippery.
No.
You see me, they're not slippery, so
No,
it's good.
Yeah.
Right now, Rasta happy. We have some customer dealing.
Yeah.
So when you lock up the car,
Yeah.
they get the smell.
Alright guys, so it was a blessing. So you know thing was we're gonna head back down in Trench down. You know.
You can't lock up, man. You can't get the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, when it lock up. And when it's hot? Yeah.
At least Mika consider. Mika come and say, Kino, smell this. And she said, hey, this is for your car. This is one of the Dream Team kids them give me this. Yeah. One time I give her a door and she said, Kino, smell this. Smell nice though. I say, yeah. She said, yeah, take it for your car. So see, put on the car, the in your smell sweet.
When you lock up, yeah, smell it.
Sweet. Thank you, Mika. See there? Thank you, Mika. Thank you so much.
You're not gonna smell it again, no. And when I eat.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.